In today's video, we're going to talk about some of the buttons across the top of your Herfert software. A lot of those buttons correspond to the patient menu in the exact same order as the patient menu dropdown. If we click on patient, we see registration, appointments, post-patient payment, and so on. We can find those exact same buttons starting just underneath the help button at the top here. Here we see the patient registration button. Again, patient registration. Next would be patient appointments. So we follow those right along here. They make it quicker between windows. You can go from patient appointments and one click and you end up at the patient transactions. This is definitely faster than going back to the patient screen and going to payments. You can always just click on the buttons at the top here. So we're going to look here. There's patient registration, patient appointments. The green dollar sign with the P on it is the patient post-patient payment. The blue dollar sign with the I is the post-insurance payment. The file folder is the master file screen. The stack of papers here is the claims. The blue shield is the insurance header screen. This is the transactions, patient payments, and the exam or SOAP note screen. Again, this is a faster way to use Herfert software than going back up here to the patient drop-down. There's a few other buttons here we're going to talk about briefly. If you were in a patient here, you can use these buttons to go forward or back as far as patient numbers go in the claim screen, forward or back on claims. You can also pull up the calculator if you need to do a quick bit of math for the patient. You can also pull up the calendar with the A on it to see your appointment schedule for the day. There's also the button here with the bell on it, and this will show you all the claim tracking alerts you have for your patients. So if you're currently using claim tracking alert, this can show you all the ones you have there, but then again you can sort them by date range or who created them or their status. You also may find us asking you to click the red lock button at the top of the screen, and that is right here. That brings you back to the password screen. If you have any further questions on how to use Herfert software, give us a call at 586-776-2880.